If your Australian student visa has been refused under Public Interest Criterion 4020 or PIC 4020, it means the Department of Home Affairs believes you gave false or misleading information or bogus documents in your application. This is one of the strictest grounds for refusal in Australian immigration law. PIC 4020 covers three main areas. First, providing false or misleading information in your visa application or in a previous visa application. Second, submitting bogus documents. These could be fake financial statements, altered academic records, or fraudulent identity papers. Third, failing the identity test, where the department believes your claimed identity is not genuine. The consequences are serious. If your visa is refused under PIC 4020, you may face a 3-year ban from applying for most other Australian visas. If the refusal is based on your identity, the ban can be 10 years. So, what can you do if this happens? Start by reviewing your refusal letter. It will set out the reason for refusal and whether the department believes the issue was with false information, a bogus document, or identity concerns. If you think the decision is wrong, you may be able to appeal to the Administrative Appeals Tribunal. At the tribunal, you must provide strong evidence that the information or documents you supplied were genuine and accurate. If you know mistakes were made, you may need to wait until the exclusion period has passed before reapplying. In any new application, honesty is critical. Provide consistent information, genuine documents, and full disclosure of any past visa history. The key lesson from PIC 4020 refusals is that accuracy and transparency matter. Even a small inconsistency can raise doubts, and once refused under this criterion, the consequences can follow you for years. So, let me ask you, what do you think is harder for applicants, making sure documents are genuine or ensuring every detail of the application is 100% consistent? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you found this helpful, subscribe to the Law and Visas channel, follow us on all social platforms at Law and Visas, and if you need help with your Australian visa application, send us a DM today.